Next type is, if a rational fraction contains only even power of x in the numerator and denominator both, then put x square is equal to t. Resolve with partial fraction the result and then replace t by x square. Now we are having x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1, x square plus 4. Now this is equal to t plus 2 upon t plus 1, t plus 4, putting x square is equal to t. Now t plus 2 upon t plus 1, t plus 4, this can be written as a upon t plus 1 plus b upon t plus 4. Is it clear? T plus 2 is equal to a t plus 4 plus b with t plus 1. Now this becomes, no, let t is equal to minus 4 as t plus 4 is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 4. Then what we are getting? Minus 2 is equal to b with minus 3. T is 0, minus 2 plus, okay. Now what is b? B is equal to 2 by 3, and let t is equal to minus 1 as t plus 1 is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 1. Okay. So we are having now 1 is equal to 3a, a is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So we got two terms a and b. Now let's integrate the question. Now we are having t plus 2, this part, upon t plus 1, t plus 4. This we are having a 1 by 3, 1 by 3 upon t plus 1 plus 2 by 3 upon t plus 4. Okay. Now we have to replace here t with x square. Now we are having 1 upon 3, 1 upon x square plus 1, one thing, plus 2 by 3, 1 upon x square plus 4. Okay. So basically what this is? Now what this is? This is x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 with x square plus 4. Okay. Now on integrating, we get integration of x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 x square plus 4 dx is equal to 1 upon 3 integration of dx upon x square plus 1 plus 2 upon 3 integration of dx upon x square plus 4. Is it clear? Now one upon 3 tan inverse x for this part plus 2 by 3 integration of dx upon x square plus 2 square. Okay. So this becomes 1 by 3 tan inverse x plus 2 by 3 into 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Final answer is 1 by 3 we can take common, tan inverse x plus tan inverse x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. So we can move, if the question is in this format, we can move like this also.